All right.
Okay.
All right.
Now what we could have done, after you've done the very first one, you set it down in there, lock the spindle, and this dial, where was that, right here? Okay, you just crank it up to the underside there.
Okay.
That's a stop. So each one will be the same from all the way across.
Okay.
You don't have to do that now. That's what we could have done.
Okay. Next time.
Well, we were concerned about appearance. But 99% of the time, you'll never see this. Well, on the Bridgeport I had LTV, it had a speed nut on it. It had a nut similar to that. It had a plunger, it was spring loaded. You just push that plunger in, and you will slide it right up.
Will it have a key in the back of the screw or something?
Yeah, something like that. It was threaded.
Okay.
Next one, do it.
Can you turn it on for me, please?
Oh, I guess.